Welcome back to Minimalist Health and Training. I'm Paul, this is Daniel, and today we're going to show you how to get huge arms. Since the tricep is 2/3 of the size of your upper arm and everyone wants big arms, we're going to show you in a minimalist way how to gain those big arms by adding on to that 2/3 of tricep. First, we have for you the double-handed overhead extension, which is basically a sitting skull crusher. And then after that, he's going to show you how to do single-handed over the arm extensions. And after that, we'll do some tricep kickbacks and tricep dips. So Daniel, if you'd like to show him the double-handed. You notice how all the bend is in his elbows. He's bringing it straight up over his head. He's not moving his upper arms here pretty much at all. He's trying to hold them as still as he can, so he's putting all that flex right in this part of his arm where his triceps are. Okay, Daniel, you can show him the single arm whenever you're ready. Single arm, he's doing the exact same thing. He's just holding it with one arm, bringing it straight up and holding this part straight, and therefore flexing these muscles here in his tricep. All right, now he's going to show you how to do a tricep kickback. It's one of the more difficult tricep exercises, therefore will build the most muscle. So Daniel, you want to go ahead and show him how to do a kickback? You notice the most important part, as with the other exercises, he's keeping his upper arm straight as he extends, putting all the pressure on these tricep muscles here, which will build those big arms that you want. And these are all minimalist exercises that you can do with pretty much anything heavy. Now we're going to show you how to do a tricep dip using the bench, which of course is all with all of our minimalist exercises. You can also use a chair or a stool or a sofa, whatever you have available to you. So without any further ado, we'll go to our exercise here and let Daniel show you how to do it. You notice he keeps his legs as straight as possible with his heels on the floor. His hands are just a little bit outside of shoulder width. He's putting all of the pressure, the weight of his body on his triceps right here as he goes down. He's going down and just about touching the floor, and then bringing it all the way back up to where arms are almost completely locked. And this, out of all of them, will build your triceps the most. Now, of course, you can do push-ups, bench presses, and military presses to build your triceps, but those exercises aren't going to specifically work them out. These 4 exercises that we just showed you will specifically work out your triceps and make you gain those very large arms that you want. We appreciate you joining us, and we hope that you'll watch this video.